cross over the great closets again, like we did earlier. Time for the key cards. Nope. Yep. So the next stop is Crestmont. Yup. Yup. One time it's Roslyn. See my hat off. TGI Fridays. is Arsley. Yeah. Glenside is next. No. So what time I had to leave tomorrow? Oh yeah, I had to leave out here around 9:05 a.m. So I'll be getting up around, I'll say around like, might say 7:30 for tomorrow morning. Yup. Around 9:05 a.m. Yeah, I might get up around 7:30. So earlier, when we got to Glenside, there's a tracks right there, like whenever the train is going to terminate at Glenside. Yup. So we're approaching Glenside. I can say this great crossing ahead. Wow. Wow. You didn't tell me about that. I said you didn't tell me about that either. Now, all right. Now we have to see what's. Yeah. So we got stuck at the Great Crossing just a bit, and that's all we make on the move. And there's a train signals up there. There's a train signals up there. They said there's a train signals ahead above. Wow. Wow. And we can see the postal train again on the right hand side. Yep, we are approaching Glenside Station. This stop is Glenside. Yep, this stop is Glenside. Also, we haven't been on we haven't been on the Metro North or the Long Island Railroad in years either. It's Jenkintown Winco. What? Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow, at Arcadia. So how can you get here? Oh, so you take.
Well, I need to drop him off. I just see depending on how far he is from up here.
Yeah.
I need to he comes home like the weekend sometimes to drive.
Yeah.
Because the girlfriend he got concerts and stuff to go to.
Yeah, but the thing is.
I don't know how far it is.
Yeah, but the thing is, you should let them know and say that there's a Glenside Railroad Station up here. You know what I mean to say? I said, yeah, and tell them that there's a Glenside station. Like, yeah. And the next stop is Jenkintown. So we're now bypassing the grade crossings now. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, we're gonna bypass the grade crossings. And that branch line over there, that's for the West Trenton line. Yep, the West Trenton line. Yep, this is Jenkintown. And like I said, mentioned to you earlier, that when we arrive at Jenkintown, there's a junction ahead. Because I think, well, yeah, there's like the Lansdale Doylestown line branch, like after we left here, and we can see the other tracks that's for the Lansdale Doylestown line. Yep, Lansdale Doylestown line branch.
Oh, Lansdale?
Yep, Lansdale Doylestown. I never been to Lansdale or Doylestown. Yeah, I hear you.
I'm telling him, I'm like, yeah, but they need to be having, they used to have they used to have, what's it called? They used to have a football league, right off of Red Avenue.
Yeah. And the next stop is. Yeah. I can say we used to we used to cross over like the overpass. Mom, we're going fast now. See, I'm trying to tell you, we haven't rode on the Metro North or the Long Island Railroad for years. So that's another thing that we did not rode on. Long Island Railroad and Metro North. Somewhere out in Long Island, New York, or something like that. But I know it's Port Jefferson. The only line I know is Port Jefferson, Port Washington. Yeah, and there's a Harlem line for the Metro North. The Harlem line for the Metro North. Oh, oh, you're right. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. We have Melrose Park Station. Melrose Park. This is Melrose Park. Melrose Park. Melrose Park. And guess what the next stop is after this one? Fern Rock. Yup. Now we're going to near my aunt's house now. Yep, near my aunt's house. Near. Yup. Now we're gonna go back in East Oak Lane, the West Oak Lane. You know what I mean? I said we're going back to East Oak Lane and the West Oak Lane. I said we're going back to the East Oak Lane and West Oak Lane. Near my aunt's house. I think my aunt was not gonna believe us that our train bypassed her house. Like behind her house. And I do remember we used to get off at Fern Rock on the sub, you know what I mean? Like we used to go there for New Year's Eve celebration like we used to, and yeah, it was so much fun too. Yeah, we did. Another thing is I used to get my flu shot or whatever shot before that, back in 2021 or something like that. Yeah, I know. Because for the ammonia shot, it makes me feel tired too. Oh, right after we bypass that underpass, we saw the K bus or the 28 or something. I said we probably may saw either be the 28 or the K bus down below. You probably might say you don't want to take that bus because that bus comes slow. But the thing, what? Having the K bus like running slow. And this is Fern Rock. So this is Fern Rock. And this is where the subway terminates. I said this is where the subway terminates. The subway right over there. But I know we can't see it from over here. But you can see the sign. Yeah. then we can see that the postcode train right there.
Oh,
I used to ride on those trains when I was coming back from Temple University. I rode on one of them to Temple.
okay. Yep.
It's pretty fun ride. That's Dorndale Express. It got so many train cars. And then that locomotive's in the front almost like Amtrak. And the next stop is Wayne Junction. Look, we going fast. Even that train that we just rode on. Yep, Albany. Oh, down below, that's probably the 47 bus down below or something like that. I don't know. But that branch line over there, that's for the Fox Chase line. Oh yeah, Joy had told me, said she used to catch the Fox Chase. Yep, she used to. Those tracks are for the Fox Chase. But I used to get on that line to Temple like I used to. Now we're going underneath the North Broad Street. Like Broad and Lindley, down below. Broad and Lindley. Wow. Yup, and we can see that city skyline over there. Yeah. That bus had never came. Oh yeah. And where do you get off? 15 something. Was it Honey Park? John Cannon. Oh yeah, and oh yeah. Guess what? You have reminds me of when Kevin used to live at a duplex, and down below that's a CSX combo train. Yo. But I can tell you something. I always have 2 portable chargers with me. 2 of them. Yeah. I think you should. Oh, down below that's a 23. That's a 23. Right down below. You can see it goes to Chestnut Hill. I can tell you that's a long route. That's why that route never changed.
Yeah, a lot of people they wanted to like try to take it off.
Yeah, but they are not going to take it off.
Nope.
I can tell you they got a good ridership.
Yeah, that's why. People was going to what's the name?
Yeah, even the 31, that's not going to change. But the 21 never.
It was crazy because even with all those one person reads it, they still come off the 103.
Yeah.
That's fine. So you got what? You said the 105?
Yeah.
The 126?
Yeah, they will take over. But the 105, and guess what? The fact is they're going to bring the 105 back.
Wow. That's what we initially had at the beginning.
Yup.
Right?
Yup. And I told them they're going to bring it back again.
Then that would go down what? Hamburg?
Yup, Haverford this time.
What's the route?
And the 120, what? Oh, the 105, yes. It will go on Haverford Avenue this time. Yup. And the 126 will go to Lawrence Park Center, but this time they're going to be new to the Oprah Park. Yup. 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 Oh, we do got to change signals up there. There's 3 of them. And there's more ahead. Yeah. Oh yeah. We can see the train going again. This time on the right. And the bus depot too. I don't No, either be the summer grass or something. I don't know. And that's the bus depot right there. And down below, that's the CSX train tracks down there. Wow. I told you that this train goes very fast. I'm telling you. I tell you, these trains are nice. I'm telling you. Oh, the Silver Liner 5. It built in 2010. Yup. The Demetria Rail train fleet. Yeah, it does. Yup, it's nice. Yeah, I know you used to ride on these like from years ago. Like, yup. And right. Well, but we're close. But I didn't know. Let me see. That is like a school to me or something. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. And we are bypassing North Broad Station. North Broad. We are bypassing it. I can tell you, that's the train signal right there. Yeah, but above, that was the Amtrak Northeast Corridor above. Yeah, yeah, yup. And look at that, and that train stopped there. That's right for the Doylestown. I was like, yeah, but that's the Lansdale Doylestown line, the only one that stops there. But I don't know about Chestnut Hill East though. But me in Norristown, they do. But there's a couple. So I want to tell you something. Warminster and the West Trenton line does not stop here. Both. Oh, that needs to be fixed up. Yup, 26 on Market. Yup. You mean like a school? Probably like a brand new apartments. So, oh yeah, right behind it was the football facility. Oh yep, we came back here again, Temple University. And guess what? I used to get off here like I used to. Yup. And the next. So our next stop is Jefferson Station. Look, there's a lot of people. Actually, a lot of students, actually. A lot of students out here, a lot of people. Yo. And that's my, yeah. And that was my Temple University campus. And right, well, what we just saw, it was the 47 bus. Also, before we got into this, we passed the football facility again. That's where you guys used to drop me off for this game day rehearsals and stuff. Like, like the day before, I had to wear my band uniform like I used to. Yeah. Yup. Yup. 2 more to go. Yup. 2027 will be next. I don't know. We need to come to this graduation up, but I think if we have to, then so it's gonna be at Arcadia, or it's gonna be okay. So it's I guess it's gonna be on the campus. But I think we probably know where it is. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, but I can. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but the Arcadia University, I think we probably know where that is. It's near Glenside Station. So now we know. And with that, we might go take my clear bags. Yeah. Yep, we passed Temple. Now we're going back in underground this time. Yep, we're going back in the tunnel again. Yeah, like to Jefferson Station. Yep. And guess what? I like. Yeah, but the thing is, I used to go to Reading Terminal Market like I used to. I said, I used to go to Reading Terminal Market like I used to. Yep. Yeah, but let me tell you something. There's a lot of people. A lot of people. Yup, Saturdays. It's not like it was raining out there. Yeah, but I told her I gotta be careful. But she was so excited to see me. Oh yeah, I do remember last year I gave her the gifts. Well, like gifts, like the purse and stuff. Because I was all prepared. Yep, and she likes it. And also we can wait to see her again. Like for June, like go to King and Fresh Mall. It's gonna be like warm and hot. I bet it's gonna be extremely warm. I'm telling you, because April isn't, but April's not gonna be warm. But sort of, but May will be, and June will be. So what do you think about? See, I saw that train was going fast, like it happened to us earlier. So this tunnel reminds me of a subway tunnel. Just like the sub L, both. And now we have the dimensional rail now. Like we left 30th Street, then that's how we came out of the tunnel. Like we left Jefferson. I said, do you know how like we left Jefferson and then until we came out of the tunnel? That's how it reminds us of a subway tunnel. And also this reminds me of a trick too. Yeah.
Jefferson Station, this stop, Jefferson Station.
I'm telling you something, these regional rail trains are so busy and they got the great ridership. And I know these trains can be crowded, but when it's a holiday, not gonna be that crowded. So the difference is between normal days and holidays, but for normal days, crowded. And holidays, not that crowded. Yeah, Memorial Day, next in May, that's gonna Like that's gonna be the same thing. So that's what I said. Yup, they have both things. Yeah. Did you ever used to come down here like a little years ago? Yeah. Now with that, yup. Suburban. And above, you can.
Oh, you know what? The storm really knocked out a whole lot of stuff.
Yeah. Yup.
The money is right down here.
Yeah, luckily. But above, you'll see a lot of people up there.
It's lighter out.
Yeah. But on this, no. It's airport terminal E and F, because it's an airport line. Yeah, but yeah. Because I can assume. Suburban. Oh.
Please make sure you have any luggage in the aisle. No luggage in the aisle. Please put luggage in the overhead or in the seat.
Luckily, I don't have no luggage. But I can. Yeah. Yeah. So on March 8th, we're going to that tournament out in Hillsborough. But I had to get some rest on Friday of March 7th. Oh, what's the time we got to be in South Philly? It might be early in the morning. It might be early in the morning. Oh, I gotta tell you, this Sunday and next Monday, the letter bus routes will change into numbers. And that's gonna be the first step. But maybe probably the start, but maybe the first step, I don't know. I've almost forgetting about these steps. Yup, the brand new. Oh, guess what? The 63 used to be a bus route when Septa used to have them, but until now they're bringing it back. I can be excited about that. And also, they used to have the 76, but now they're going to bring it back again. Yup, but Roots what it used to be. But until then, they want to bring it back. Yup, so after we leave here, then our next stop will be 30th Street. And that's, I think that train is probably the West Trenton line. So that train, I guess. I don't know. And that's the Super Liner 5. That train fleet's what we just saw now. Yeah. up at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. Well, yeah.
Okay. Okay, but John and Heidi, they haven't used it yet, right? Oh, okay. So you would have to enter it in. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well,
Well,
okay.
nope.
I will let you know later in the week
It's,
for my date. And
it's still a lot of people, but not a lot.
And I'll get those dates for you for everybody. And I'll just put it in there, and then you can see
Yeah,
how it's set up. And I don't know. I mean, all you would have to do is
Yeah.
send the photographs to everybody. So, but I mean, we don't have to do it. I just figured it'd be worth to at least try. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later this week.
Yeah. And our next stop is 30th Street. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can see another train coming. Head just came inside the tunnel, like we did earlier this morning. And look at that skyline up there. It's big. One of them. Oh yeah, that's straight to Temple University. Nope. Maybe. Oh yeah. What are they trying to build? Maybe apartments for Petco? Nope. Wow.
Yes, sir. 30th Street Station, 30th Street.
Yep, this is 30th Street. Yep, got it. Yep.
Train to the airport.
Excuse me. Hold on, excuse me.